Your Subaru is spotless, not a single blemish. That is, until a rogue shopping cart hits your car, leaving behind its trademark dent. And repairing these dents can start adding up fast. But with Subaru Paintless Dent Repair Protection, you can cover the cost, helping to maintain the value and appearance of your Subaru. We'll help by permanently removing dings and minor dents, including damage from hail, all without harming your Subaru factory finish. And we'll repair it where it's most convenient for you, whether that's your home, your office, or at your retailer. What's more, there's no deductible, no limit on the number of claims, no mileage limitation, and coverage is available on new and pre-owned vehicles. Paintless dent coverage helps keep your Subaru picture perfect and may help in retaining its value for years to come. For added value and convenience, you can also bundle products with Subaru Optimum Vehicle Protection, protecting even more of your vehicle. At Subaru, you're part of our family, and our extended coverage plans are designed to keep you safe, on the road, and driving worry-free. Ask your retailer about Subaru Equity Shield Paintless Dent Repair Protection.